Question. January marked the one-year anniversary of landmark agreements between the U.S. and Qatar regarding government subsidies to Qatar Airways, the state-owned airline. In addition to committing to financial transparency, in a side letter to the agreement, the Qatari government indicated that there was no intention to launch additional Fifth Freedom flights launched from Qatar but picking up passengers in Europe before flying to U.S. destinations. Yet at the same time as the agreement was being negotiated, Qatar Airways acquired a 49% stake in Air Italy, a formerly struggling regional Italian carrier, and rebranded it as an international carrier with flights to 5 U.S. destinations from Milan. That runs directly counter to the one-year agreement. Are you aware of this? And if so, what efforts are underway to enforce the agreements that are in place?
Yes, Senator, I'm personally aware that I've personally engaged on this issue, and we are working to make sure that every party to those agreements complies with every element of those agreements. In fact, I will engage again tomorrow with several of the parties that are in this. The United States government sees what's going on, and we're working to put this agreement. We think it was a good agreement. We're trying to just make sure that it's enforced.
I appreciate that. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.